It's a great day for a drive, especially in a 2022 F-150 XLT, and it has Atlas blue exterior. This is a very nice color. Black sport cloth interior, seating for 4 doors, and a 5.5-foot box. This has a 2.7 liter V6 EcoBoost engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. It also has the XLT black appearance package, and that's where you're seeing the blackout accents, and where the FX4, which by the way has skid plates, and in the back you're seeing the blacked out F-150. This vehicle has been upgraded with new tires as well. It has a level kit, and it's really easy to take this vehicle out on a test drive. You can book that online at islandford.ca. Stay tuned, we're going to have a look under the hood and inside and out. This is a 2.7 liter EcoBoost V6 engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. Let's have a look inside. Speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat is an 8-way powered seat. Your passenger seat is manually adjusted with manual lumbar. You have these nice all-weather mats on the floor, electronic parking brake, lighting controls, and there's a grab handle as well as a running board to make it easier to get in. On the face of the steering wheel is your lane keeping, cruise control, volume. You've got your menu and hands-free dialing. We're going to start up the vehicle. You're going to see any important messages, your odometer reading, and as well the menu will come up. So we'll go into that menu and we can dismiss any alerts. My view, trip view, truck info, towing, navigation, phone, audio, settings, and these all have submenus. And the center is a little cubby. Here's your camera view, and that's your dotted center line, and then green, yellow, red telling you how close you are to objects or other vehicles when going in reverse, and that's the back bumper. And let's just go back into our main screen here. We have our hazard lights, hill descent, traction control. We can go into audio, just touch on there. My fingers are a little cold this morning. There we go. Go into sources. We can turn down the volume either on our steering wheel or just down below. And then AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, as well as Bluetooth. You also have navigation, so the map will come up for that. And you just say what you want to do. I'm just going to say not now. And then you can go into your settings, and there you've got the different options. So general display, you can actually change the look of it. There's your navigation again, vehicle hotspot, and so forth. And these all have submenus, so you just touch on them and choose what you want. And when we put the vehicle in reverse, we again get that view. So you can do it if you just want to take a look behind before you go in reverse, or if you're actually going in reverse, then you're going to see that as well. Volume and tuner, dual climate control. You've got your front and rear defrost, AC and max AC, USB, USB-C, and a little cubby, as well as your automatic select shifter. And if you wanted this to go flat, you needed a work surface, you just press that button and down it goes. A couple of cup holders here, and then we want to bring it back up, just push the button again. Your armrest opens up, there's just a clip, and then you've got a little bin. You can put nice items in there, and there's room down below for other objects as well. You've got a charger. Got a 12 volt here and a 120, and then off to the side there's 2 glove compartments. The lower one is locking, and this one is just a push of a button. You have an auto dimming rear view mirror, lighting controls, sunglass holder, and as well on the body a grab handle, just making it easier to get in. 20-inch wheels and brand new Goodrich tires. You have mud flap, black running board, body colored door handle with intelligent access. And that means when the fob's in close proximity, you can lock and unlock the doors. Keyless entry keypad, and this vehicle also have a level kit. And on the driver's side, you have a capless easy fuel gas filler. The black handle extends to the tailgate. The tailgate is lockable and removable. And just above it is your backup camera. To the right is the LED light. Backup sensors on your bumper, 4 and 7-pin connector, trailer hitch, and a locking spare tire. This vehicle also has a 2.7 liter V6 EcoBoost Payload package. And when we want to open up that tailgate, we simply put our hand in the latch. Got a nice box that's lined with tie downs in all 4 corners, as well as box link. You also have a tailgate step, and that yellow button to the left is a handle that pulls out, gives you some stability getting in and out of the box. And then when you're ready, just close it up, lock it up, and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. Your tailgate can now also be used to clamp items on. There's one on the left and the other on the right. There's a spot to do that. You also have these measuring tapes. One's metric and the other one's imperial. So if you needed a little workbench, you're all ready to go. Speaker in the door, as well as power windows and grab handle in the body. There's seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split. Simply lift it up with one hand, gives you more room on the floor, and then pull the tab That brings the seat right down, anchors at the base to be able to tether baby seats, and you've got this nice sport cloth material. On the floor, all-weather mats. You also have carpeted mats, slim pockets on the back of the front seat, a couple of cup holders, air vents, USB, USB-C, and a 120 volt. And then off to the side, hooks and lighting, and in the back, access to a big window with rear defrost. Body-colored bumper, 5.5-foot box that's lined, mud flaps, privacy glass in the back windows with window vents, adjustable side view mirrors with blind spot information system, auto high beams, fog lights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us. If you like this video and would like to see more, please subscribe. We have plenty to share with you, and we love to hear your comments.